Greetings, cadets! Insomniac Games has asked me, Captain Quark, to talk about their next big game for the PlayStation 3. Thanks to the PS3's Blu-ray and cell processor thingamajiggy, you'll get to see me, Captain Quark, in mind-blowing, jaw-dropping, high-definition detail. Oh, yeah, and there'll be some furry guy with his little robot pal. If only we had some footage to show you.
Captain Quark, we have the trailer right here. Whenever our galaxy is threatened, two heroes rise to the challenge. Two heroes stand up to the forces of evil. Two heroes can always be counted on to throw a wrench in the works.